Everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you this small little Doran scale made here in the US in Illinois, and it's about a 24 by 18 top, and you'll see there's a small piece of roller conveyor. This actually mounted through the two holes you see here. Scale's powered up right now. We're showing 0. We're going to just demonstrate this is a 2 kilo test weight, and as you know, if you speak metric, 4.4 will be 2 kilo. It's measuring in pounds right now. Scale's measuring accurately. It's in our stock under our scales platform section. Click on scales from the home page and then the subset platform. Has adjustable steel painted base, and if you choose to use it, there's a small roller that was used to transport a box across it to weigh it in an automated system. Thanks for joining us today. We look forward to hearing from you. We hope you visit our website at www.champtrading.com. Bye-bye.